You're listening to A Hat and a Cap for the City podcast. Let's take a moment to thank all the listeners for joining in before we move on with the show. Although it's good to claim that this podcast has no sponsors, it's always open to collaboration and partnerships that share these beliefs and cater to these listeners' interests. So please don't be hesitant to get in touch if you or your business are interested in collaborating. Let's resume the talk now.
Welcome back to another episode of A Hat and a Cap for the City, the podcast where I explore the fascinating intersection of technology and various industries. I am your host, and today we're diving into the effects of artificial intelligence on the field of accounting. Because of the development of artificial intelligence, or AI, accounting, a field renowned for its rigorous attention to detail and intricate financial analysis, is going through a significant transition. In addition to accounting, AI is also transforming a vast array of other industries. We will look at how AI is affecting accounting now and what that means for accountants and their clients.
You are listening to the podcast A Hat and a Cap for the City. Why did the podcaster go to the bank? To check their audio balance.
Automation of monotonous tasks is one of the most important benefits of AI in accounting. AI-powered systems can now effectively manage tasks like processing transactions, balancing accounts, and producing financial statements. Automation frees accountants from manual activities so they can concentrate on more difficult duties like analysis and decision-making. AI speeds up processes and decreases errors by automating data entry. Accounting requires a high level of accuracy, which AI can significantly improve. Data entry errors can be found and fixed using AI algorithms, which can also spot fraud and abnormalities. Additionally, AI can spot patterns and trends in financial data that people might miss, giving accountants crucial information about the financial health of a company. With the help of these data-driven insights, accountants may make wise decisions and give their clients insightful counsel.
You are listening to the podcast A Hat and a Cap for the City. Why did the podcaster refuse to edit their episode? They wanted to leave it uncut.
AI not only increases accuracy but also streamlines accounting processes. For instance, consider bank reconciliation. This procedure can be automated using AI, doing away with the necessity for manual transaction matching. For accountants, this automation frees up hours of work so they can focus on activities that offer value. It's vital to note that there are difficulties with using AI in accounting, notably in terms of costs. For smaller accounting firms, the cost of implementing AI software might be a major hurdle. However, it can be costly and time-consuming to train staff members to use AI software successfully. Due to AI's reliance on enormous volumes of data, issues with data security and privacy have also been raised. To protect sensitive information from hackers, businesses must make sure they have strong data security procedures in place. Also, crucial is adherence to data privacy rules like the CCPA and GDPR.
You are listening to the podcast A Hat and a Cap for the City. Why did the hat break up with its girlfriend? She kept taking it for granted, and it felt like it was always being used.
The issue of prejudice and discrimination is a crucial factor to take into account when using AI in accounting. Since AI algorithms are taught on data, they may continue to draw unjust conclusions if the data contains gender or racial prejudices. By ensuring that the training data is varied and impartial, businesses can take care to prevent unwittingly promoting bias and discrimination. There may be some employment losses in the accounting industry as a result of AI's automation of repetitive work, but it also creates new career opportunities for people with an interest in data analysis and AI specialty. Businesses should provide employees with possibilities for training and reskilling in order to adapt to the changing labor market. Due to technology improvements and the growing demand for accuracy and efficiency in accounting processes. The future of AI in accounting appears bright.
You are listening to the podcast A Hat and a Cap for the City. Why did the hat wear a tie? Because it wanted to be formal wear.
AI-based financial data analysis may forecast a company's future success, allowing companies to make wise choices regarding their cash flow, sales, and expenses. Artificial intelligence-powered natural language processing improves communications between accountants and clients. AI-powered chatbots can give round-the-clock support, responding to customer questions and giving tailored information. Also, the accuracy and transparency of accounting data have been improved thanks to blockchain technology. Financial transactions can be validated using AI to analyze blockchain data, eliminating the requirement for manual verification. AI may also customize accounting services to each client's preferences, offering personalized advice through chatbot conversation.
You are listening to the podcast A Hat and a Cap for the City. What do you get if you cross a hat with a train? A choo-choo cap.
In conclusion, artificial intelligence is radically altering the accounting industry by better decision making, automating tedious operations, and increasing data accuracy. Yet, there are still issues including implementation costs, privacy and security worries, and ethical issues. Notwithstanding these obstacles, artificial intelligence in accounting has a promising future. Businesses may stay ahead of the competition and provide top-notch accounting services to their clients by embracing AI and ensuring that their staff employees have the abilities to use AI-powered solutions. That's all for today's episode of A Hat and a Cape for the City. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the effects of artificial intelligence on accounting. Join us next time as we delve into another captivating topic at the intersection of technology and various industries. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wearing your hat and cape with pride.
You are listening to the podcast A Hat and a Cap for the City. What do you call a hat that's always on the go? A hat trick.
Thank you for listening to A Hat and a Cape for the City. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future episodes, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. Stay curious, and I'll catch you next time.
This podcast is open to collaboration and partnerships that share these beliefs and cater to these listeners' interests. So please get in touch with your great host, Stuart.